Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday, TGIF, day 6 of Veggie Week. I got tonight and tomorrow, and then I go back to my normal menu. Like I mentioned before, I'm a little bit wanting some beef, chicken, fish, but it's been a fun week. It really has. I have prepared some wonderful, wonderful dishes that I have shared with you. Last night, I prepared Chinese-style baby bok choy with mushrooms sauce. Yeah, it's good. I enjoyed it, and it was plenty for me. No leftovers. I served that with udon noodles that I get from Rayleigh's in Bel Air. It's a pack of 2. So, yeah, super simple. 90 seconds in the microwave. And they're pretty good. I like the thicker noodle. But it was really good. I definitely will share this up. I didn't really alter this one. Yeah. It was good on its own. Tonight, this one's it's a no-nonsense name. Vegetable Stir-Fry Noodles. That's it. You could call it Asian, you could call it fusion, you could call it whatever. So yeah, this one looks fun. Some prep. There's definitely some prep in this one. All right, let's get to it. Got the hardware going. The champion is out. My wok. Boy, is it getting a workout this week. Dutch oven for the pasta. Yeah, you heard me right. Pasta. I love my big colander. I don't like struggling with tiny little plastic colanders. Yeah. That's just my choice in my kitchen. All right. We have kosher salt, black pepper, yellow onion. It actually calls for onion powder. No, sorry. If I've got onions, I'm going to use real onion. Garlic, ginger, red bell pepper. I like red bell peppers because they're sweeter and they're actually ripe. Yeah. Zucchini, carrot, green onion, and some mushrooms. I'm going to go out to the store later and get some more mushrooms. I use a lot of mushrooms this week. Yes, that's linguine. We're going to serve this over or with linguine. And for the sauce, it's good old veggie stock, soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil. This is a twist. That's smoked paprika. A little bit of cornstarch for thickening. Yep. Red chili pepper flakes. That's what's called for in the ingredient list. I might change this up to something different later. You know me. Recipes are just guidelines. That's right. Sesame seeds are for garnish. Technically, according to the ingredient list, the green onions are supposed to be for garnish only. Sorry. I'll be using those. Not all of them. So there's the goodies for tonight. If you can't tell, I am in dire need, not dire, but I'm in need of a haircut. Yeah, that's why my camera angle is like a certain way. So you don't see, because I've been wearing headphones a lot, and even with my short hair, it does funky things. So look at yeah, so I need a haircut. I need a shearing. Yesterday, I did a bunch of blending for a customer, and I did one blend for here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I was basically out of my garam masala. By the end of the day, I did 7 blends yesterday. I have a couple more to go. I was nose blind. My nose was gone. Because 3 of the 7 have roasted goodies. The house smelled, But again, by the end of the day, I was nose blind. I think, as I told Robin last night in our chat session, I was sneezing a turmeric powder. Yeah, and I spilled some turmeric on the floor yesterday here in the kitchen. It's like ice skating. I had to get that up quick. So, it's always a good time here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. So on this Friday, this TGIF, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.